Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Wave Watch with your host, Sleepy Bull. And we're back with another one. This time it's Bitcoin. We're gonna work on the bear market count just because the structure that Bitcoin's forming right now is very eerie, I would say. We got this little M formation here, and just like I said before in my prior video, this is a Wyckoff, looks like a Wyckoff distribution structure. We had originally some kind of accumulation. To me, in the beginning, this structure looked like a distribution, but once we got to here, it started to look like accumulation. But now that we're seeing a test back to the bottom, even below this range, I mean, we went back inside it, but I'm not too convinced by it. This is a clear M pattern, double top. Don't be fooled, guys. This is going to come down fast to this level. Now, I'm not saying the bull count is out of the waters yet. I'm not saying bull count is dead, but so far our bear count has been spot on. We're looking for a B, C wave structure down. And I did say expect some sideways correction here and then the beginning of the correction, and that's exactly what we're having here. So we're just waiting for the break of this support and continuation down. Altcoins are not looking too good on this little sideways thing here. I mean, I think they were expected to run, and they did have a slight run, at least certain altcoins, but it's not looking too good for them either. Going back to the full wave structure, let me give you guys the macro scale perspective. Try not to clog this up with too many lines. Now, before, my count was, or is, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is the termination 5, which I'm pretty convinced of, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Or really 5 ends here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the reason being wave 5 is the 618 extension of wave 4, or extension of wave 1, and we have this as 1, so the extension should logically be 8 million, but we're not going to 8 million, guys. We're not going to 8 million, not anytime soon anyway. So especially given the economic backdrop, I could be wrong, but we're gonna it looks like we're topping off here and then forming a B, C structure. And with this C structure, I know this looks very unlikely. The biggest likely drop is a revisit of 16K. Maybe we even have a truncated C at 25K. Who knows? Who knows? Now, if the bear case is indeed incorrect, incorrect, then that means that by some crazy circumstance, this is not A, B, C down. Not here really, but like here or something. If that's not the case, and I like to go by moving averages too. It gives you an indication of what might happen. This is the monthly case. Let's do the 2 month. Why don't we? Yeah. A little revisit of here seems likely in a pandemonium event. That's like a drop of 70%, which is relatively normal for Bitcoin. So that's a 70% drop. That's normal. So yeah, 16K looks very likely. But in any event, if by any stretch of the imagination we break this, we break this to resistance at the top, I mean, it looks like a clear bull flag. I understand why bulls are so bullish and they're freaking out of their minds. It does look bullish, but yeah, let's stick to the bull case. If we break this top here and hold it, we're definitely going to keep going up. We're going to have a huge melt up scenario. I don't see it. My mind doesn't comprehend it, but we have to prepare for that case. So if that's the case, this is the count. This is the bull count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have extended fifth, not extended fifth, but fifth wave all the way to 162. And that's the 160, yeah, 162. Even though we should maybe even to 2. Extended fifth, yeah, that makes sense. Extended fifth. Yeah. No overlap. It's perfect. Maybe we'll have an extended fifth all the way to 52. So this will give us rise to wave 1 of 5. That will take us to 8 million. And that will be our wave 5. So, in other words, this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be wave 1, 2, back down here most likely. And then we'll do a 3 somewhere up here, 4, 5. And this 3 will be $3 million, roughly speaking. Now, again, we're going based off of this. Let me just delete a few things before it gets a little crazy here. We're going based off of this, though. If we have a tame wave 5, 1 second, and we top at 162, then, excuse me here, let me just get this out the way. Then we're looking at a $2 million wave 3 Bitcoin, and then topping at exactly that $8 million Bitcoin. And that paves us for wave 5. That paves the way for wave 5. So as you can see, this little decision here will give us the direction of the pattern. And so we're at a crossroads here. We break down, pandemonium. We break up, euphoria. I'm fine with either way. I'm fine with a final dip to buy before we go up. Bitcoin is not going anywhere, folks. This thing is a monster. And so, what's a 70% drawdown in store for a 115x upside? What's it's nothing. A 70% drop is nothing compared to 115x. I'll take that any day. Anyway, just wanted to provide an update to you guys. This is the bullish and the bearish count. So we're at a crossroads. Sleepy Bull out.